There you go, guys. Just want to do a bit of a quick maintenance tip on the Minn Kota. All you want to do is just give it a good rinse off. I use that salt off boat wash, and basically when you get it home, yeah, just trim it down, get it as far as you can down, then isolate it, and then just get like a milk crate or something, and you got to pull this latch in here. Quickly do it. I'm only doing it one-handed, so I'll just put the camera down for a sec. Basically pull this tab out and then push it up, put the crate under the foot there, so I'll just quickly do that. Yep, so that's basically it there. That foot's there, and then you got all the contacts exposed there, and the ring terminal there. So basically give it a good rinse in there, use your salt off wash or whatever you got, and then let it dry out, and then I basically hit all the contacts with this Lennox MX4, get the worm gear in the back there, get all the actuators, all the exposed metal parts, and even this belt spray all behind here. I just basically coat everything with this lanolin MX4, and it doesn't gum up. It keeps this thing working smoothly, and yeah, you don't have to do it every time, but fine, just keep on top of it. Keeps your gear working for when you need it. Alright, cheers guys.